Do you also want to turn your passion for hospitality, culinary arts, or business into a global career? Then this name should be on your radar: BHMS, or Business and Hotel Management School, located in the heart of Switzerland. What makes it special? Keep watching. BHMS has been ranked hashtag 16 globally for employer reputation, and it's one of only 6 institutions in Switzerland to hold a 5-star rating. Founded in 1998, it has quickly become one of the most sought after institutions for students looking to build global careers in hospitality and business. So let's break down what makes BHMS so unique and why it could be your perfect study abroad destination. First, let's talk about their fast-track dual degree programs at BHMS. Every academic program is structured to give you both education and experience. You will receive dual degrees here, one from BHMS Switzerland and one from a partner university like Robert Gordon University in the UK or York St. John University, London. For bachelor students, the total duration is just 36 months. That's 18 months of classroom learning and 18 months of guaranteed paid internships. Isn't that impressive? That means you are gaining real industry experience while you are studying, making you job ready from day one. Coming to specializations at the undergraduate level, it includes hotel and hospitality management, global business management, and culinary arts. And yes, all these programs come with placement assurance. Moving on to postgraduate options. The Masters of Science, that is MSc at BHMS, is a 12-month program. You will spend 6 months in classroom followed by 6 months working on an independent research project. And there's also an optional internship to gain even more practical experience. Now here specializations include international hospitality business management, global business management, and again these are dual degrees awarded by BHMS and Robert Gordon University, UK. If you are aiming for a leadership role, BHMS also offers a 12-month MBA. The course includes 6 months of academic study and a 6-month capstone project, plus an optional internship to apply your learnings in a real-world setting. This program is offered in collaboration with York St. John University, London. And here's a bonus. If you are someone who wants to do both the MSc and the MBA, you can complete both degrees in just 18 months through a combined pathway program. Now let's talk about the eligibility. For bachelor's degrees, a minimum pass percentage in your previous education is accepted and the required IELTS score is 5 overall, simple and accessible. Now for master's and MBA programs, you will need a 60% score in your prior education and an IELTS band of 6. For the MBA specifically, a minimum 2 years of relevant work experience at a supervisory level is also required. Apart from these degrees, BHMS also offers postgraduate diploma programs for students looking to switch or kickstart their careers in hospitality or culinary arts. For instance, if you are from a non-hospitality background but passionate about cooking, the postgraduate diploma in culinary arts is a 1-year course with 6 months of classroom training and 6 months of paid internship. The program is hands-on with the majority of sessions held in lab-style settings to help you build real kitchen confidence in the experiencing world. Now there is also postgraduate diploma in hospitality management, which acts as a direct pathway into the MSc program. So whatever your background is, BHMS has an entry route tailored to your goals. Now let's come to the most important part, placements. BHMS guarantees placement support with each master's program. Students can choose where they want to start their careers, whether it's the UK, USA, Canada, UAE or anywhere in Europe. Your classroom learning is backed by real-world experience and global employer recognition. And with 8 intakes throughout the year, BHMS gives you the flexibility to begin your studies at a time that works best for you. So if you're ready to take the next step, connect with GradOut. You can book an online consultation or visit us in person for guidance. Our team will always help you with your application, course selection, visa process and more. So secure your admit and launch your dream career in the picturesque heart of Europe with BHMS Switzerland. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the notification bell for more such insightful updates. See you in the next one.